Banks are in trouble. Despite spending billions on trying to understand and service their customers, 71% of us would prefer to get financial advice from our family members. That's parents, grandparents, children. Why is that? Hi, my name is Igor. I'm the CEO of Sine. And at Sine, we believe that the best way banks can rebuild trust with their customers is by treating them as individuals, as human beings with needs and desires that need to be addressed. I moved to London 2.5 years ago to do a PhD in psychology because I wanted to understand the human being and how we make the decisions that we make. What I found is that individual differences is the biggest predictor of the behaviors and the actions that we take. And that insight underpins data science philosophy. Your transactional data, the choices that you make day to day on what brands to purchase, is some of the most powerful data available to give us insight into you. Banks are sitting on that data and don't really do anything with it. And DataSign is changing that. We take machine learning, psychology, and transactional data and turn that into actionable personality insight. Let me give you an example from one of our paying customers, BNP Paribas. Banks have millions of customers. DataSign takes transactional and biographical data of those customers through its analytics engine. The outcome is Jane. Based on how Jane spends her money, we detect that she likes extreme sports and travels to exotic destinations. Based on that and over 3,000 other characteristics, we build a personality. She's open to new experiences, and she's an extrovert. Next, we match Jane with the right product for her. Because she travels, it's a travel insurance that covers those extreme sports and works worldwide. Next, we pick the right communication channel. She's an extrovert, and so she's always on the go. She will get an email. That email will be tailored to Jane to reflect her personality. It will have specific keywords, specific products, and messaging that appeal to her. And because the product is specific for Jane, she's a happier customer, she buys it, she shops with her bank more, and ultimately tells all her friends about it. And that is what true customer service is all about. Now, DataSign does two things. First, we take transactional and biographical data and turn that into personality. Secondly, we make that personality actionable. Here's an example of an email that is advertising the same product, but specifically tailored to different personalities. You will notice that keywords are changed, colors are changed, images and text and layout are all changed to appeal to different personalities. We match the personality of the person to the right advertising. Currently, we're doing this for 3 different use cases. We do data analytics, call center personalization, and email marketing. We're working with banks in 5 different countries, doing 6 different pilot projects, and reaching over 20 million customers worldwide. Last year, we generated $200,000 in revenue, and this year, we're expecting to triple that. Customer engagement is just the beginning for us. Next, our products will be used in wealth management, risk assessment, and new product development. The team behind this is fantastic. Chris, our CTO, has over 10 years of industry experience developing applications. We have James, who has 5 years of machine learning experience and a master's in machine learning. Jürgen, our psychologist, who I've been told looks like one, has been working with banks for over 5 years as a clinical psychologist, and we have developers. Normally, I would end here. However, I have 2 asks, actually 3. One is we've been nominated as one top 100 digital leaders. If you could go to that link and vote for DataSign, that would be fantastic. 2, we are raising a round, so if there's any investors in the room, please come and talk to me. I'd love to speak to you. And 3, we are looking to expand and enter new markets, and so would love to speak to representatives of different banks. Thank you very much.